People ask me all the time, what does it take to be happy? I tell them one word.
I recognize the call in him to certainly just serve life, whatever's in front of him.
I grew up in a pretty tough environment. We were very poor financially, but probably more poor even emotionally.
Because I asked, how can I turn my life around? I started getting new answers. You know, they say, ask and you shall receive.
One word difference is a different life.
If you want an extraordinary life, the only thing that'll do it is if you become the master of meaning. This is what the whole weekend is about. Unleash the power within us. First of all, the power is already in you. We need to wake it up. What the one component that makes the difference in the quality of your life is hunger. The hunger to be more, to do more, to give more, to share more is the ingredient. And everyone has it, but sometimes has to be awakened. Here's what you need to know. The purpose of your goal is not to get your goal. The purpose of your goal is who it makes of you to get it. But we make dumb choices, and we make dumb choices because most of us are making those choices out of a blueprint we didn't even create. Stanford University came to me and they said, we've never seen you like this.
He's just a smush. Tone's a teddy bear. He cries more than I do.
You just to be a little kinder to you. There's so much more to give. You're judging yourself way too soon. And if you're going to grow up to the man you really meant to be, not the one she taught you to be, you better look at all perspectives, and you need to heal the relationship with your father.
I was looking at the list of people that you have helped. Bill Clinton, Princess Diana, Mikhail Gorbachev, Mother Teresa, Nelson Mandela, Quincy Jones. I mean, these are like the icons of my lifetime.
I'm proud of what I've done with my life. I'm grateful, though, for the grace that's made it possible. Make some sound of the real you. Go! Life has its own lessons for all of us.
Tony Robbins Unleashed, film premiere. Available May 8th to 12th only. Get your free ticket now.